Yeah, no, eventually. Next time we're out, we'll definitely go up further. What's going on? What's good? Trying to think of another G word so I could have a nice little intro.
What's good in
What's
the Gucci out here on the good day with
What's going on? What's good? What's Gucci?
What's Gucci?
Dude, I think that's finally my intro. Alright, so basically we're out here. We're trying to find this off-trail destination that I went to. Photo on screen, this is what we did last time. I vlogged this before, you guys. If you've been here for a year, you've probably seen it. But we totally went up the wrong area. So now we have to go down and find this area. How you doing, Nick?
Dude, I'm doing fantastic. We out here as always.
Glad to hear it, man. Let's send it back. Oh yeah, look at this, you guys. Snow. Terrible news for skateboarders, great news for snowboarders. It's cold.
Yeah, dude, Christian, that's not good for you, bro, but you already know I'm gonna be on the mountain every day.
Oh yeah.
Out there with the cinematics.
You know it. Alright, so today I finally upped my game and I'm using all manual camera settings. I got a clip that was just going crazy with the white balance and exposure from auto. I'm going to play that while I talk. But Nick, right here, and we're about to go down and do a little photo op down here. And it's going to be super cool. Let's get it. Back at it with the first person vlogs. About to take a picture of Nick here. My GoPro filled up, so I'm redoing this, but lens cap off. I got him all set up. Yeah, I have the camera out. I like that. Just chilling. Let's see here. Way too bright. Way too bright. Why is my ISO at 1600 and my exposure comp is up too? Not having it. Let's.
Shut up, dude. What you doing out here with that ISO exposure game?
Alright, let's zoom in. Capture that focus. I should be shooting with a filter right now, but instead I'm just gonna bump my exposure comp down. Fuck, dude, I can't shoot at 1.8 right now. Alright, I gotta get low. Boom. So much more foreground interest by moving 2 feet. Pull that strap off. Nice framed between the 2 sticks. I'm gonna drop the highlights later. I don't recommend doing that. And pop. There we go. Not too bad. It's a little too bright, so I'm gonna give up on trying to shoot at 1.8 and I'll shoot at 2.5. Okay, that was a much better exposure. Plus he's far enough away that now his whole body will be in focus. Okay, I'm gonna come up a little bit closer now. Whole new perspective once again. Got the Sony charging, but that's alright. We want good footage at the location. Someone left a hammock strap right here. Do you want this?
Yes. Yes.
Look at that.
Yeah.
We totally left the hammocks in the car, dude.
I have mine with me.
Fuck. Alright, at least we could get a photo. Hey, look, we don't even have to build it. It's just there for us. Dude, last time we were here, we'd be walking on snow and your feet would just suddenly, like, it'd be solid and you'd just fall. Like, leg high, dude. It get all the way up to your thigh.
Yeah.
I'm so glad to be doing this in the fall this time around. Okay guys, we about to climb up on top of this waterfall here. Sorry, my back strap's getting in the way. Let's send it. There was a much easier way to do this, but I do not want to ruin that high budget shoot. They got some gnarly cameras. From my perspective, noon is directly away from me. Throw your legs at like a 10 o'clock. And like sit on the rock. Yeah. Is it big enough? Is there any way to put your right leg by your left leg? All right, that looks good. And then pull your backpack with your left hand. Just pull out the strap a little bit. Like up here, just pull it out like you're chilling. All right, cool, man. One thing that scares me about this strap is sooner or later, I'm gonna be taking photos and then think that this is already attached and just drop my camera. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna come back and get a Sony shot real quick. We just climbed up this right here.
Stay close, little brother. I know your true color. When the world don't listen, you can call my name. Stay close, little brother. Stay close.
All right, Nick and I are out here. We just reached the very end of the falls. We're about 5 waterfalls deep. and we came to this one. There's no way we can get to the top of this falls here, so we're gonna call it a day. This was a really awesome adventure. It's been a blast, you guys. Like, I love this. And one of my favorite things about hanging out with Nick is I got a bunch of really badass portraits of me. Most of the time I don't bother letting people use my camera because it really truly is the person behind the camera. And this fool and maybe Annalicia are the only ones that can get portraits that I like of me to my standard of photos that I take of other people, you feel? So I'm gonna roll all of those on screen right here. I'm gonna roll Nick's photos, I'm gonna roll my photos, the landscapes, everything. This has been awesome. Got the GoPro, we've been filming first person, as you know. But yeah, dude, let's go see how Nick's feeling about this adventure. All right, bro, what was your favorite part?
Bro, this is badass.
Right?
It's gonna be scary. I have no, okay, if you're still watching this, it means we made it down. So that's cool. But if you don't see this or if you died, it's really sketchy to get down, but I'm about it.
We about it. It's been super cool, guys.
We could still totally hit this if we had climbing gear, but like, I gotta eat, you know what I mean?
Yeah, you hungry,
We
dog?
gotta get some food, bro.
All right, well, we're gonna go back, edit some photos. I kind of want a photo of this waterfall, so we're gonna get this Nikon out again. But this has just been a blast, you guys. Like, it's places like this that drive me nuts because I know that I will not be able to capture every perspective that I want to see. And I could be up here for like days at a time and still not get everything I want. My drone can't get signal. I want drone footage of us up here on top of 5 waterfalls, but it's like, nah, but that's all right, you guys. So yeah, that's enough of the vlog.